How to install Anaconda on Windows 11. So if you want to install Anaconda on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is just open up your browser and search for Anaconda download. Now you just need something go with the official website, and here on the right side you will have get started, and it will ask you to sign up. You need to just simply go and sign up with your email. After signing up, you need to click on 64-bit installer button and setup file will start downloading. When the download completes, you need to right click on the setup file and select Open to start the installation. The installer will open. You need to click on Next, which will be on the bottom. Then select I agree to accept the license. When asked about the installation type, choose All Users and click on Next. You'll now see the installation location. Anaconda will be installed in the default folder and it will take about 5 GB of space. Click on Install to begin and it will start the installation process. And once it has been completed, you need to go with Next and tap on Finish. You'll see the options to launch Anaconda, or you can just simply go with your search and then search for Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Prompt. You'll have two things. Anaconda Navigator is a graphical interface that lets you manage everything without typing commands, and Anaconda Prompt is a command line interface for managing environments and packages. Now click on Anaconda Prompt and you will have this kind of interface. And from here, you can just simply go and select Jupyter Notebook or VS Code, go with Launch, and use your Anaconda Navigator. That's how you can install your Anaconda on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.